Well, I'm crossing over into the slot-osphere with Cody from Xposed. Now, I don't really watch slots at all, if I should say, but this one looked fun and intriguing. If you guys are, I know we mainly do blackjack around here, but listen, I got to try some new stuff because I want to keep this place interesting and having fun. Plus, I want to pump out some more videos for you guys because I really do like and enjoy this stuff. That being said, you guys hop over to Xposed, Cody from there and from the Xposed channel. Give him a like, subscribe. Let's hop into it. Looks like we're going to be hunting for
slots at the high limit one.
Let's go.
And there's a little cage or something. We made disconnect, fellas. We made disconnect. Just a heads up.
Yeah, it's a little crazy.
Oh, that's it. Oh yeah, we walked our butt. Guys, I was following you.
A reason why a lot of these microphones
you were actually
get like way over.
Morons. Where's Sass? Well, Sass has your vouchers and he disappeared. So
where'd he go? The DPL I don't know. On the recorder is probably set up too
with all your vouchers.
You can bring it down all you want.
Sass is just what is he doing? Sass is just ripping $200 spins. He's coming. He's coming. The Huff and More Pops.
A lot of audio filters to take care of that.
Thank you. What are you doing? Oh, I thought. You got my vouchers? We give the vouchers to the smallest guy. Smart. No, wait. Tell me, there's a new Huff and Puff somewhere? You ever seen a new one?
The last person
Huff and Even More Puff. That's this one.
Yeah, this is
Huff and Even More Puff. Oh, this is it. There we go.
Huff and More Puff. Huff and Puff.
So, all right, guys. Okay, we're doing $1,000 on the new Huff and Puff.
Okay, I gotta see what
we'll do $50 spins, okay? It's either 0 or $1 million, all right? Here we go. $50 spins.
Million for sure.
$500,000. $1,000 start. This is only 20 spins, right? Come on. Give us something. It is, no? Yeah, it is. It is. 20 spins at $50. Yeah, that's right, buddy. Firefighter doesn't know math.
Yeah, that's right.
Come on, dude. Jigsaw.
Smoky, dude.
This is not good, fellas. Down to 535. We need something here soon. Huff and More Puff.
Huff and More Puff.
Somebody Huff and Puff.
We need something.
Come on.
Come on, dude. Are you kidding me? My voucher man's already giving me another voucher.
You said only 20 spins, man?
20, it's 50.
Guys, it's the new one. Huff and More Puff. Look at the top. This is the new one.
Well, that was good. Nice, dude. Woo!
Team says it's not the new one.
Even More Puff. What do you mean? Huff and More and Even More Puff?
Yeah, where the f*** are More Puff and Puff?
All right. That's how you lose $1,000 in about a minute. Cool. Nice.
More chance.
Oh, what a save.
What a save.
Sorry, guys. I don't see any more Puffs around.
Fucking save.
Nice.
All right. Cool. Nice. Sweet.
Top dollars.
Top dollar?
Huff and Even More
That's
Puff.
saying top dollar. Let's get over there.
If you hold the thing.
If you win, they tell you get to pick which one you want.
All right, guys. You can see the screen all good? $1,000 voucher.
Oh, this is like an old
We got $1,000 in this. We're playing top dollar. Credits played. What is this? $200 a spin right now?
I think my grandpa maxed on this one.
It's $3 spins.
Okay, how do I up this?
Change the denomination. There
Okay.
you go. Yeah.
All right. Okay. No. Okay. All right, guys. We got a $1,000 voucher here on top dollar. We're doing $50 a spin. Dude, what did I just do?
You just did crazy, dude.
Brother, I'm out of money. Yes,
Is that
bro.
a $1,000 spin?
I think it was.
No.
No.
It was, you have 775.
Oh, I'm doing $100 a spin. Am I doing $100 a spin? I'm doing $100 a spin, dude. Come on, let's go. Dial in. Come on.
You need one line to say top dollar.
Come on, bro.
Get the top dollar.
Get it.
Get the top dollar.
475 remaining. $1,000 voucher.
Come on, you need one line to say
Come on.
top dollar. Top dollar. Top dollar.
This thing's broken, dude. Come on.
Shit's fucked, dude. Come on, top dollar, man.
Not 1 ounce of RTP.
I can't justify it, you
Oh
guys.
my God.
I can't justify slots. I can't.
Where'd Red go?
Well. Okay.
How do you change it to 25?
All right, guys. That's how you lose $1,000 in a second. Cool. Slots are fun. This is great. Having a great time. Cool. All right. Dude, it won't. Someone broke it with it or something.
Can you fix it for us?
What's happening here? Hello?
Go back to $25.
They wouldn't let us work it. We were trying.
All right, next.
All right, Mikey, pick one.
All right, I'll pick up a
So
gem here.
confused. This is how I feel like when I go to
And Mikey's picking the
you know,
next
one
spot,
of those
fellas.
arcade
We got.
businesses.
Oh, it has a link in
you're
it.
going to get the tickets.
You
and
filming
just
this one?
walking around looking.
Really?
We're gonna get the
Yeah,
most
what's why?
tickets.
It looks good.
I just can't. I can't.
Looks kind of new, right? You guys ever seen this slot before? Okay. $14 a spin. We want more than that. $84 a spin. All right, let's dial in here. 84 bucks. What is that? Right away. Bang, 700. Let's go. We'll take that. We'll take that. 700. Let's go.
All right.
Jake, you gotta get closer to that for
spin.
sure. Stand behind me. Point of view, you know? Point of view and then step back for the sellies. All right, guys, we have $17.80 here. We're dialing in $84 a spin, all right, on Prosperity Link. Here we go. Nothing. 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 Oh, what's that doing? Okay, getting some coins. Cool, we do not give a crap.
Guys, it doesn't matter about the balls in the pot. These balls could be sitting here for f***ing 3 weeks.
Hey, what's that? What is that? Hold you. What is that?
Doesn't matter about the
What is
balls in the
that?
pot.
What is that?
Doesn't matter about the balls in the pot.
Let's go!
I cooked up gold, baby. I cooked up gold. Let's go. Let's go, Raz. Let's go.
Mikey.
What is that?
Like you 10 times, baby.
Holy
Here
fuck,
again.
9K. Look at this kid.
That's pretty
Look
cool.
at that. Fucking
Doesn't matter
1K,
about the balls in the pot, fellas.
1,000 to 9,315.
Wow.
Jackpot.
LFG,
Calling
man.
the attendant. We're gonna get a
If you hear
nice
anything, guys,
hand
put LFG in
payer.
the comments.
Let's fucking go. That's incredible.
Ah, good timing
What a
too.
hit, fellas. What a hit. Let's go.
18,000. That's good.
Hello. How's it going?
Yeah.
Good.
Was it coming?
No.
Do you have your ID?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. That was incredible. I can't wait to get this paid in my hand.
It is the best feeling.
Hey, when the thumb goes up, say it. Tell
When the
us.
thumb goes up,
Just like that.
Just like that. Oh, yeah. That guy. All right. We're going to sit down. We're waiting for this jackpot. Let's go win another one here. We're playing some elephant-looking slot.
Mystery of the lamp.
This one's only $20.
How funny would it be if he gets
Well, I
another
think it's not
jackpot
bad.
while
Hold on.
winning a jackpot?
Okay, hold on. 60.
60.
You look for gems. That was 91,000.
Okay, $100 a spin. Here we go. $1,000. Here we
Fucking
go. $100 a spin. Let's lock in here. Let's try to get some. Okay, $200 win. It's a little bit of return here. We like that. It's just slot called. What is it called?
Mystery of the lamp.
Mystery of the Land.
The one in the middle's gonna squirt.
Yeah,
Come on.
dude. That jackpot wants to blow.
460 left. Not liking this. We need something. I'm kind of feeling it. That thing's jiggling a bit.
Wave after wave.
Yep. Is it going?
Oh my gosh.
What's happening?
Dude, it wants to go. It wants to go.
Bang! Let's go, Mikey. Bonus, $100 a spin, guys. $100 a spin. Here we go. Rub it.
Let's go, baby.
Oh! I'm rubbing it.
Come on. Only 3 spins.
What do we got here? Get nice and tight, Jake. Get nice and tight here. $100 bonus, fellas. Okay. We put $1,000 into the slot. We're pushing a button to spin. Here we go. Come on.
Yeah, it builds it up.
Okay.
This one be the good one.
Okay, okay.
It
It's like
Ooh, I don't
175,
like this,
50.
Sass.
you get, you know, once you hit.
We have 0
Come on, we need more.
spins.
Yeah,
Okay, we're saved.
Okay, 3.
We're retrigging.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I think we get. Okay, we're 2 timesing that. Okay, and we're 2 timesing that.
Okay.
I don't really understand slots that much. So I don't know if that's 350
Okay.
and 500.
500.
But if it is, that would be sweet. What's going on here? What's happening here?
Oh my God, it wants to go.
Jackpot. One more and that jackpot might go off for 50,000. Come on. More. Okay.
Save,
Oh,
save
1250.
1250?
Oh, you
We'll
get
take
more
that. Come on.
spins.
Open the basement.
Yep.
Okay.
Shake that. Shake it. Come on. Shake it and pop.
Ignite, baby.
Pop for me.
Rub it. You gotta rub it.
Come on. 0 spins left. 1,000. Another one.
Nice.
Gotta rub it.
Okay.
Dude, fill this board
Here we
up.
go. Do we fill it up? It's a grand jackpot. Yep. There we go. We'll take that. Okay. Yep. Okay. Interesting. Okay. 3 slots left, guys,
Come
for the
on.
grand jackpot. Come on. Sass over here rubbing it.
My hands
Come on.
starting to get warm.
Please. Oh. Hey, that's great. I don't even know what that is.
No idea.
Pay. That's what
That's
that
got to
is.
be something.
It's going to be another jackpot or what? Yes, sir. We'll take that.
That one next.
Beautiful. 2,462. Beautiful. Beautiful hit. Beautiful hit, fellas. It's going to be a hand pay. Here we go. Calling the attendant. Woo, woo, woo. What's next? Yeah.
That one.
That one? I mean, Mikey's been calling gems, really. I don't know if we can leave Mikey's call, Sass. We have 2 slots on the go. 2 slots on the go for the hand pay. This one and that one over there.
Literally says gems.
Hold on, let Mikey sniff one out. He's been good. He's been good. He's sniffing. He's sniffing
I
something.
smell something over here.
What's he smelling? Buffalo! Don't get trapped.
And
don't
for
get
you guys
trapped.
to
No,
obviously
no, not the
understand that
Buffaloes.
play,
That's our money.
No,
money
I don't like it. I don't like it.
because he likes the slots.
Nope.
It's not dead there.
This,
What are you looking for when you're looking for a slot, Mike?
I'm looking for something like this that catches my eye, you know? I know it's only 40K grand, but it catches my eye.
That's pretty cool. That's catch your eye?
Yeah,
This one?
it kind of is.
$1,000 voucher. There's nobody in this casino. We don't need to grab our ticket. I mean, we're right here. This room's so small. Nobody's even here. That thing just farted? Did you hear that?
That was
Okay. All right. Another $1,000. This is $2,000 credit or 2,000 credit.
Oh, is this Howie?
So this is 125.
That's what Kangaroo
125. $125 to spin. Okay, come on, get us in. Mikey's been 2 for 2, fellas. He's been 2 for 2 here. Can we get in? Can Mikey get us in? 3 games popping in again. Come on.
Oh, it's ready to go. It's ready.
Okay, wow, coming in.
Okay.
Come on, drop it. Mummy. Are we need another one of these?
I have no idea.
Oh, this slot's loud.
You got one more.
Very loud.
Last spin. Nothing. Come on, hit it. Hit it.
Get us in.
We're back. Back a little bit though. $75 spins. There you go. Hit it.
Get us in.
You like the ones that kind of tease like that,
Did you fucking crop dust us? You piece of... Oh my god.
Already.
Oh my god. Dude, that's disgusting.
Yep.
30% off ticket.
Okay, yep. 30% off. Yep. Gotcha. 50 cents. Okay.
Oh,
I hear you.
ready. They're standing in it. You're sick in the head.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20.
Perfect.
And at 65.20, we took out 27.94.
Okay. All right. Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
And whose is that?
Yeah, that's mine.
Whose guy's credit there?
That's mine. They're all mine. I'm like triple dipping here.
Credits
What do
Okay,
they have?
awesome. Yep. Yeah.
Cash you out?
Yeah, cash me out, please. All right, we got another hand pay over here. We got a hand pay here, a hand pay here, and a hand pay here.
Yeah, dude, that was.
We're not even gonna take the profit. Thank you.
What the hell is that?
Hey, that one. Gems, 91.
Yeah, let me just get my let me get my 1750 from this one. It's f***ing crazy, bro. These slots are such rip-offs.
How much?
1750 probably with 30% gone, right? Maybe 1600. It's crazy, bro. I'm gonna get another tax form. Here we go. I'm gonna load my suitcase with taxes. It's ridiculous. It's dumb, dude. It's dumb. I don't even know. I only play slots for you guys for the content. This doesn't make sense for me. It's literally. I just fucking. They withhold it because I'm a Canadian citizen. Okay, that's why they withhold it. We don't even pay taxes on gambling rings. Like if this happened in Canada, this never happens, right? So they give me this form and I give it to my tax person and I get it all back. But it's just annoying because they bank on you losing it. That's what they do. We're not stupid. I don't get taxed on blackjack. No, you don't. That's the bonus with table games.
Red, you fuck,
Red,
dude.
come on, brother. Stop.
Seriously, bro.
Go, dude. Okay, brother, go again. Like, stop, bro.
God, dude, this guy has
Seriously, she's
serious
hand
skid
paying me
marks.
and you're dusting me. I know, bro. Stop. Bro. You're honestly, dude, why are you waving it? Why are you fanning it, bro? You got 4 of your buddies here and you're fanning your shit like a fucking animal. Like, oh my God, bro. This shit's getting ridiculous, bro. It's not even funny, bro. You're laughing about it. No.
We're on a goddamn airplane.
Stop, bro.
37,000 people and you two are having shit.
No, we're not, bro.
You really fart into your mic on stream, you sick.
Yeah, I do. And then what do? You sniff it, you fucking weirdo. Seriously.
That is true.
Literally, I fart my mic and you sniff it.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, he does, bro. I swear to God, he does.
It's all natural.
The back room of the red. Are you winning? Are you winning or losing? Okay, here's $100. Have a good day. Yeah. Are you winning or losing?
I just got a bonus.
It's not going good though. Here's 100, man.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, you're welcome. We're just tipping people. Yeah. Yeah, we're just tipping people. Oh, you want 100 too? Here. You take 100 too. Yeah, no problem. Take care. See you guys. Thank you.
Oh, he's giving out money. We'll stop it there. We'll stop it there. You guys, that was pretty fun, man. He got a bonus while winning a bonus while winning a bonus. That was pretty fun. And I get him on the content too. Like he does do it for you guys. I know a lot of people do like slots, but I'm more a blackjack guy. But again, to his, I mean, pretty much what he's doing. Just want to offer you guys some content. And it was pretty fun, man. Got to double down on that Huff and Puff. All right, guys. That being said, I got a lot more coming up, so stay tuned. Love you guys. See you on the flip side. See ya.